What's up everybody, BadAssGamez. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial. There's been a recent patch, just literally like yesterday. This was posted by Suikaze Raider, and he on the Tomb Raider forums, and he says that he has found a way to fix the last secret in Tomb Raider 1 so that way it counts. And I tried it out. It works fine with me. It works for all these different versions for Tomb Raider. We got Tomb Raider for the PC, for the PSX, for the PAL versions, which are the European versions, and then the NTSC are the United States versions and the Japanese versions. So it works for PlayStation, it works for iOS, so I mean this is a very all-around nice patch fix. I didn't write this patch, he pretty much did all this himself, so all the credit goes to this guy, but I'm going to show you how to get this thing to work for the PSX version right here. I'm pretty sure that the method that I'm going to show you will work for any of the PSX versions that are listed here. Basically, you have to use an emulator after you patch it this way, but if you have a modded PlayStation 1, you can also use your modded PlayStation, because you can just burn the changes you make to the PSX versions back to a disc, and in a modified PlayStation, you can play games that have been burned. So I'm going to be using it for the purposes of you know, the emulation, and I will show you how to patch the PlayStation version. So whenever you're ready, just click on the link right here that he's provided in the post, okay? And just click download here from MediaFire. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it. Make sure you're running any program that can open a .rar file. You can either use 7-zip or you can use WinRAR. It doesn't really matter. All you need to do is extract this someplace that you'll remember where it's at, and then you'll need to run this program. Okay, so here is the extracted files. Now there's another program you're going to need, because we actually have to extract a certain file out of the Tomb Raider disk, patch it using the patcher that was provided by Suikaze Raider, and then we have to put the file back into the disk. So it's kind of a little bit involved, but it's not that hard, and there's free tools that'll let you do this. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to Google and Google CD Mage, okay? And what you're looking for is CD Mage free download Softpedia, okay? This first link will take you down to a download site, but you'll download a different version that's not going to work for our purposes. When we get to Softpedia, you need to click download here, and then we need to go to the Softpedia Mirror US beta, okay? We need the beta version, because the beta is going to let us put the file back into the disk. Okay, so once you have it downloaded, CD Mage, the beta 5 is a WinZip self-extracting thing. Make sure you put this in a folder that you will know exactly where it's at. Okay, so cdmage.exe, that's the only file that's in the self-extracted WinZip thing, so this is what we need. So just run this, run cdmage.exe, and then look at the top, make sure it says cdmage b5, okay, it's for the beta 5. That way we can write files to the disk. You should have ripped your Tomb Raider disk into a bin.q format, where we're going to open the Q file, so we need to find it. Find your Tomb Raider 1 disk image in bin.q format, okay, and then open the Q file, and then you'll be given a list of all this stuff right here. What we need to do is we need to look for Session 1, Track 1, Mode 2. Everything else should say audio on the other tracks. Open this and then find the PSX data folder. We're looking for this file right here, level10c.psx. We're going to want to extract this file. So what you do is you highlight it, you click on it once, then right click on it to bring up this menu, find extract files, okay, and then we're going to put this into a place that we'll know where it's at. Let's put it on the desktop. Extraction completed successfully. Okay, so now that we have the file extracted, we can use the patcher. So find the patcher that you downloaded from Suikaze Raider, and then basically run this program. And now we need to open that file that we have, okay, the level10c.psx. And then once you have it selected, click open. It should come up here, and then it should give you some information about the file. And it should make sure you check to make sure that you're patching the right type of file. So TR1, PSX, PAL, NTSCU, English, French, or German. So that's what we're doing. We're definitely patching the PSX version. We're patching the NTSC version because it's the United States. If you're in Europe, then PAL will work for you too. Read only, no, and as diagnostic, you can patch this file. Okay, if it says you can't patch this file, then you're working on a read-only file or something, and you're going to need to figure that one out. Once you're ready, make sure you click the patch button, and it should go through all this stuff. It should check, file ready to patch, creating backup file, okay, file saved, okay. So the file is now patched. Okay. Now we need to import the patched file back into the Tomb Raider 1 disc. Let's go back to CD Mage now. The thing is that there has been no changes to the Tomb Raider disc yet. We need to import the file onto this disc. So what we need to do is we need to select the level 10c.psx and right click on it, and this time we import it and we select the file that we just modified. I'm actually using the original Tomb Raider rip, so I'm going to save this to a new rip, and I'm going to go to File, Save As, okay? And then I'm going to back out. I'm going to create a new, I already have a folder here. I'll just create a new one here for the purposes of this. Call this Tier 1 Patch and video, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm just kind of doing this for the video. Okay, so I don't have anything in here, and I want to save it as Tomb Raider.q. And then don't really need to touch anything here. Click OK. Save completed successfully. Okay, so it's saying that everything worked fine. Okay, so basically it's saying that everything's patched fine, and now we should be able to play the game. So now we need to load up EPSXE, or you can burn it to a disc and play it in a modded PlayStation as well. Okay guys, I came into the secret number 3 and it didn't chime for me, but that's not what's important. What's important is that it counted at the end of the level. So I'll see you guys over there at the end of the level and we'll see if this counted. Alright, here I am at the very end of the Great Pyramid, sliding down at the very end. Let's see if I got 3 out of 3 secrets. Secrets, 3 out of 3, so therefore the patch works, and that's pretty awesome. Thank you very much, Suikaze Raider. We appreciate your kindness. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm BadAssGamez. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Take it easy.